agents out there. Right now it's the holiday season, and I think so many agents are just kind of sitting around and hanging out with their families, and what I wanted to encourage you to do is to get out there and go and visit the clients. Everybody who allowed you to have success this year. This past week I've actually wrote handwritten notes to all of my clients and delivered holiday blankets and care packages to all my clients, and it was such a neat opportunity for me because I got to know them through the house buying process or the house selling process, but now it's almost like we're friends, and they invited me to their table to have coffee and cookies and meet their pets, and I got to see what they did with their homes, and I just will treasure those memories that I made this last week. So I encourage you to do the same. Thanks so much and happy holidays.